Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to ServiceNow 911. In today's video, we are discussing about stop words. Do you know what are stop words and why these stop words are used? Let me show you first of all stop words. Under predictive intelligence, you see stop words. Open this table. You see stop words are there in various languages. Let me open the one which is of English and just look at these words. He, her, here, all these words are mentioned. So basically the use of this stop word is to make your query fast. Whenever you do a search in a big table which is having huge data, for example, configuration management. This is demo, so here only 2700, but in reality it will be in millions. So when you search something in a millions of record, let's say I want to search uh, a particular CI here, right? In that case, the search will be very time consuming as well as it will impact the system because you are searching a table which is having a millions of records. So in order to optimize such type of searching, ServiceNow has provided these stop words. So whenever the engine sees one of these stop word, it will ignore it so that it will not assign valuable resources because these words have the capability to make the searching more worse, right? So in that case, you have to use stop words. Now what you have to do, you have to think about your organization. You have to think about your organization searching patterns. You can add your own stop words so that the searching will be more optimized and good. Just click on new, provide the name, select the language, provide the stop words separated by commas. It is a very important concept when you want to improve the search quality of your instance. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye bye.